Hey, what's up all fans? Today I'm here to introduce you a lawn mower equipped with patented IntelliCut technology, WG779E.2. This is a smart mower that gives you plenty of torque on demand, powered by twin power shaft power modules delivering 14 watts of cutting power.
What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section.
Welcome to unboxing section. First, we have two pieces of cable clips and two handle knobs. Next is the carry handle. Of course, the lower handle is including two. This is the dual port charger and come with two 20-watt battery. The top of left is the Cordless Lawn Mower and the right is glass collection bag. Last is the product manual and warranty card.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to give me a like and share this video.